mark your ground first of all. And it leads to the foot of a tower. So somewhere you have a tower, right? Okay. A man standing at the top of the tower. So the observer is basically here. So this is your horizontal level. Understood? Okay. Observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree, which is approaching towards the foot of the tower with the uniform speed. So that means the car earlier was somewhat here. So the angle of depression is, sorry, here. The angle of depression is how much? 30 degree. 30 degree, fine. So now this is the alternate interior angle. So this angle is also 30 degree, clear? Okay. Now the car is approaching towards the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. So the car has moved and the angle of depression is now 60 degree. Fine, Harsha. So now this angle has
Yes.
become 60 degree. So alternate interior angle. So this one is also 60 degree. Clear, Hamna? Okay. 6 seconds later, fine. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So if I give it some name, let's say A, B, C, D. So basically you have to find the time which is taken from B to C. Understood? Clear? You have to find the
Yes, ma'am.
time taken from B to C. Oh, okay. Now in this question, nothing is given. Height is also not given. The distance between the car or the tower. I mean, nothing is given, not the perpendicular, not the base. So everything is unknown, but one hint is given, that is from C to D, the time is 6 seconds. Okay. Because after 6 seconds, the angle of depression is becoming 60 degrees. So this time is 6 seconds from C to D. Now you come back to physics. So basically your distance is what? If I want to find the distance from C to B, that means speed into time. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now speed also I don't know. So I have to assume, let's say the speed of the car is X. Something X meter per second, because he's talking in SI units, so meter per second. So the distance becomes, therefore your CD, therefore CD becomes speed, that means X, and into time, that is 6 seconds. So 6x, clear? So this distance is 6x, right? Okay. Now from B to C, I don't know the time, so I can assume it. Let's say the time is T, so time into speed, that is X. So that becomes your distance BC, clear? Okay. Right. So let's say the height is h of the tower. Hamna, I can't hear you today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rida, are you here in the class? No, Rida is not here, I think. All right. Now you see in the figure, there are two triangles, right? First triangle I can see is the right triangle, which I can see is ABD, clear? And the other right triangle I can see is triangle ABC. Fine, Hamna, Harsha and Hamna. So in both the
Yes, ma'am.
triangle, I'm going to use tan, right? So in triangle ABD, if I use, so my tan of 30 degree, that becomes perpendicular upon base. So that means H divided by BC, that means TX and plus 6X. Okay. Okay. So put the value of tan 30, that is 1 upon under root 3 is equal to H upon TX plus 6X, right? Okay, I cannot do anything now. Mark it as equation number 1. Let's see what we can do later on. Right. Now you come to this triangle ABC, right? Now in triangle ABC, again use tan. So if I use tan of 60 degree now, so perpendicular, that means h divided by base, that means tx. Clear? Put tan 60. So tan 60 is under root 3. That becomes h upon tx. Clear? That's my equation number 2. Right, Hamna? Now you see equation number 1 and 2. Like see equation number, in both the equations, I have 3 variables. I don't know h, I don't know t, I don't know x. Right, Harsha?
Yes.
Okay. If I have 3 variables, I need 3 equations to solve it, right? You have done linear equation in 2 variables. So when we have 2 variable, we need 2 equations. For 3 variable, we need 3 equations. So what will we do? We will try to eliminate one variable first of all. We can like find the value of one variable from both the equation and then equate it. So from first equation, if I find the value of h, what will it give me? This will give me h is equal to h will become what? Tx plus 6x and divided by under root 3. Is this okay? And from the second equation,
Yes, ma'am.
my h will become under root 3 into tx. So if I equate the values of h, equate the value of h because both are h. Clear? So that becomes your tx plus 6x divided by under root 3 becomes equal to under root 3 t into x. Is that okay? So you can see now h is gone from this equation, right? Okay. Now you cross multiply. Now from numerator, I can take x common. So t plus 6 and then cross multiply root 3 becomes 3tx. Now again, my x will cancel out from both the side, right? T plus 6 is equal to 3t. Now only one variable and only one equation, which I can solve very easily. So that means you take this t here, this is 2t, and that implies that t is equal to 3 seconds. Clear? And I was interested in t only in this problem. T was the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower, right? This was my time t. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I can write, just conclude it with a line. The time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from point, yeah, from which point the car is going? From point C. C is 3 seconds. Fine, Amna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write it down.
Done, ma'am.
All right, last question now. Question 16. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points. Okay, first of all, mark your ground. For top of a tower, right? So there's a tower here. From the 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of a tower. So there's a point here which is at a distance of 4 meter from the base of the tower. And another point somewhere here, the distance from the base of the tower is 9 meter. So this is the distance, right? Okay, now what is he saying about angle of elevations? The angle of elevations base of the tower in the same straight line with it are complementary. So the angles are complementary. That means if one angle is theta, let's say this angle is theta, so the other is to be 90 minus theta, right? Complementary. Okay, now give it some name A, B, C, D. Same thing, use tan, right? Both the triangles. So you start with this in triangle ABC, right? That means your tan of theta will become perpendicular upon base. That means uh, AB, sorry, divided by base. That means BC, right? So tan theta will remain tan theta. If I just call it H just to avoid AB, so I can write H upon 4, clear? 4 meters, right? H is also in meters actually, so meter will be cancelled out. It is only H by 4, right? Now in another triangle, so in triangle ABD, my tan theta, sorry, not theta, this is tan 90 minus theta, will be perpendicular by base. So again, H upon base is complete BD, that means 9, clear? Now tan 90 minus theta becomes cot theta, so you get your cot theta is equal to H upon 9, clear? Okay, so I'm interested in H. I want to find H. Now, if you know tan and cot, it's very easy. Now, we know that tan theta into cot theta is 1, right? They are reciprocal of each other, right? Put the value. So, H upon 4 multiplied by H upon 9 is equal to 1. Cross multiply H square is equal to 36, right? So, H will be plus minus 6. Now h is equal to minus 6 is rejected because the height cannot be negative. So you get h is equal to 6 meter. This you had to prove. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Yes, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I want to give you some practice questions now. I can do one thing. I can share the picture on the screen, right? You will solve it. Give me a minute.
Ma'am, there was an assignment for trigonometry, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't get 2 questions on that. So can you send the solution for that?
Yeah, which question?
And question number 1, part 2, and question number 3.
Wait, let me just open the assignment here. I think it's on your WhatsApp, right? Shri Harsha. Mm, okay, this is test. So did I send you the assignment on WhatsApp also?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I got it. Assignment, yeah. Question number, which question you're saying? Yes, Harsha, second question. First question, second part, right?
Ma'am, question
Sorry, your voice is breaking. Can you type?
number
Oh, there's some problem with your voice, Harsha. Please type.
1,
No, I'm not able to hear. It's
part
breaking
2.
a lot. Question number 1, part 2, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. I think this type of question I also gave in the test, right? Right, you have to show it to be equal to cosec theta minus of cot theta. Okay, so if I start with like the LHS, whenever you have this kind of question, first of all, you rationalize it, okay? When you have under root. So you do it 1 minus of cos theta and divide it by 1 plus cos theta. Clear? Break it. Now rationalize it. So 1 minus of cos theta and divided by under root 1 minus of cos theta, right? Okay. So this becomes in the numerator, you have 1 minus of cos theta whole square. Clear? And then in the denominator, you have 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus of cos theta. Now that becomes 1 minus of cos theta only divided by, then you have square root a minus b into a plus b. That means 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? This is 1 minus of cos theta and divided by under root sine square theta. Right? So 1 minus of cos theta and divided by sine theta. So you will just break the LCM. 1 upon sine theta minus cos theta divided by sine theta, and this becomes cosec theta minus cot theta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, which question? Okay, what else, Harsha?
Ma'am, question 3.
Question number 3. Okay. Yes, Hamna, are you also having doubt in any question? Cos theta minus sine theta, and n is equal to cos theta plus sine theta. Right. You have to show this thing. Okay. Under root of m plus n plus under root of n plus upon m. Okay. Right. Just put it. I mean, what else you can do? Hmm. You can do it like together, or you can do like one at a time if you wish, right? If I just, let's say I want to find the value of only under root m upon n, I think that way also, I think I have not done it, but let's see what comes out. Fine, Harsha. And then I'll add the two values. Can I do that?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
so just to make a bit simpler. That means my m becomes cos theta minus of sine theta and then divided by cos of theta plus of sine of theta. Mm, no, I think I should do it together just to avoid any sort of confusion. Let's do it together only. Okay, plus under root n upon m. Right, now you write cos theta minus of sine theta divided by cos of theta plus of sine of theta, and put bracket, plus under root n is cos theta plus of sine theta and then divided by cos theta minus of sine theta. Okay. So see, one thing is to rationalize them separately, or let's take LCM because I have fractions. Now that becomes like you divide the square root in the first step, right? Cos theta minus of sine theta and then divided by under root of cos theta plus of sine theta, right? Okay, then plus cos of theta and sorry, mine plus sine of theta and then divided by under root cos of theta minus of sine of theta. Now you take LCM. So LCM will be like under root cos theta plus sine theta and into cos theta minus of sine theta, right? Okay. Now here in the numerator, I'll get under root cos theta minus sine theta multiplied by under root cos theta minus sine theta. Is that okay? So I only get cos theta minus sine theta, right, Harsha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, plus. Similarly here, the under root will be gone. So I only have cos theta plus of sine theta in the numerator, right? So I have now open the bracket. So sine theta will get cancelled out, plus and minus. So I'll get 2 of cos theta only. Yes, divided by. Now this becomes under root a plus b into a minus b. That is cos square theta minus of sine square theta. Okay. So this becomes 2 of cos theta divided by, see, there's no identity like this, so we can divide it, like divide by cos square theta. So 1 minus tan square theta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm getting one cos theta extra. Why? There's some problem with the numerator, I think I have done. So I think the denominator part is clear. Let's solve the numerator again. Sorry. So basically I have under root of, what was there? Cos theta minus of sine theta, right? And then divided by cos theta and plus of sine theta, right, Harsha? And then divided by cos theta and plus of sine theta, and then divided by cos theta minus of sine theta, right? So if I take LCM here, so in the LCM I'll get square root of cos theta plus of sin theta into cos theta minus of sin theta, right? Now in the numerator, I actually had under root cos theta minus of sin theta. I already had. Now what will I get, Harsha? Under root cos theta minus
Under
sin theta, right? I think I was
theta
right
minus
here.
sin theta.
Yeah, I did it right. So under root will be gone and only cos theta minus sin theta will be left. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Because it will be whole square. So the square will be gone. Cos theta minus sin theta. And similarly, I'll have cos theta plus sin theta. Sin theta will also cancel out to cos theta. Hmm. Either there's a mistake in the question.
Ma'am, in the last step you divided with cos theta, right?
Okay, I got it. Cos square theta. But yeah, it's right? I'm dividing by cos square theta in that. So cos square theta divided by cos square theta becomes 1. And sin square theta divided by cos square theta becomes... Okay, then I have to multiply with cos square theta also, isn't it? I'm just dividing, I'm not multiplying. Yes, Harsha? How can I simply divide anything? I have to multiply it also. Clear? Like before this
Okay,
step, right? Please. Oh, yeah, that was the mistake. Sorry. So I'm doing actually cos square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta and divided by cos square theta, right? And then I have to multiply this thing with 1 cos square theta, isn't it? And then I have 2 cos theta here. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then the cos theta will get cancelled out now. And then I have here 1 minus of tan square theta, and then this cos square theta will come out of the square root. It will become only cos theta, and this will get cancelled out. And then I'll get 2 upon under root 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Yes, any other question? Yes, Hamna, have you
No,
done the
ma'am.
assignment?
Thank you.
Hamna, have you done the assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem in any of the question?
Ma'am, the ninth question.
Ninth question. Okay. Harsha, have you done the ninth question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, it's like this, sorry, Hamna. This is cos of 1 degree into cos of 2 degree, right? And then you have cos of 180 degree, right? Now, whatever values you know, you write it down. Like cos 30 and ultimately cos 90, that is 0, right? Right? So when you are doing cos 1 degree to 180 degree, that means somewhere cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, dash, 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 somewhere in between you are going to have cos 90 degree and then up to cos 180 degree, and everything is in multiplication, isn't it? So that means cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into dash, dash, dash into, then you have a 0 here, right? And then when you have 1 0, whatever numbers you're multiplying, all will become 0. So the answer will become 0. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about the second part? Have you done it? Similarly, tan, right? Tan 2 degree, then up to tan of 89 degree. Now see, it's only up to 89. And then we know that tan 0 degree is 0. And then tan of 90 degree is not defined. So it's not including tan 0. So the answer will not be 0. Understood? Okay. Now if you write it, if you look at the tan values, sorry, Hamna, it's 0, then 1 upon under root 3, then it's 1, and then it's under root 3, and then not defined. So this is 45 degree. So at 45 degrees, it is exactly becoming 1. Now below 45, the values are smaller than 1, right? And after 45, the values are greater than 1. Understood? And they are reciprocal of each other. Like it is 1 upon under root 3, then it is under root 3 here. Got the point? This is
Yes.
30 degree and this is 60 degree. So the complementary angles like 90 minus 30, that will be 60. So the values are also inverse of each other. So this can be broken like this: tan of 1 degree into tan of 2 degree. Then like I want to write, let's say tan 45 degree and then few before it. Tan of 44 degree, let's say. Then you have tan of mm, 46 degree, right? And then up to tan of 89 degree. Or you can do one thing, like leave the tan table. You do one thing here. Up till here, you keep it like this: tan 1 degree, tan of 2 degree, and then uh, tan of, let's say, 44 degree. Then tan 45, we know the value, that is 1, right? Into. Now tan 46 can be written as, how much is 90 minus 46? 10 minus 6 is 4. And then you have, sorry, 8 minus 44, right? It can be written as tan of 90 minus 44. Clear?
Yes,
And then
ma'am.
up to, now tan 89 can be written as tan of 90 degree minus of 1. So it becomes tan of 1 degree into tan of 2 degree. Then you have tan of 44 degree, then into 1. And after this, now this tan becomes cot of 44 degree, and then up to cot of 1 degree. So all the tan 1 and cot 1 will cancel out. Then tan 44, cot 44. So all the values which are like here dash dash dash, they will all cancel out, and everything is multiplied by 1 1 1 1 1. So the answer will be 1. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So after 1, you are all getting all cot. So it give you 1. Right. Okay, I'm just sharing one question on the screen. You have to do it. Yeah, can you see? Oh, it's inverted. I'm just opening it. Wait. Okay, now it's here. Please do it.
Ma'am, we should use tan, right?
Yes. Okay, the first.
Ma'am, we should use tan, right?
Yeah, I think tan only you will be using here. Speed of the jet plane. Speed, I mean, speed is like distance divided by time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So first find distance. Sorry, which question? Sorry, which question is visible on your screen? I think I've shared too many.
Ma'am, it's given example 30.
Example 30 is visible. Okay, fine. Yes, Hamna, are you also trying to solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give it a try and then tell me if you're not able to. Are you able to do it or not?
Ma'am, we're able to do. Ma'am, I got 240 meter per second.
240 meter per second. No. Okay, meter per second. Fine. Then you can convert it into. Okay, that's fine. You can convert it into kilometer per hour also if you wish. Anyway, 240 meter per second is right. Hamna, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
Ma'am, 24 meter per second.
24. No, it will be 240. 240. There is 10 which is missing somewhere in your calculation. So just check your calculations, okay? Right, I'm going to share another question now. Yes, this one. Yes, Harsha, any problem here?
Ma'am, can you explain it?
Okay. Now see here the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake, right? So you mark the surface of a lake first of all. Let's say this is your lake, the surface of the lake. Understood? So there is a point 60 meter above the lake. So this distance is 60 meter. Clear? And there's a cloud somewhere in the sky. So I'm not able to draw it like too higher, but let's say this is the cloud. Correct? And okay, the angle of elevation from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree. So from here you are observing. So first of all, you will draw the horizontal level. So this is your horizontal level. And from here, the angle of elevation is how much? 30 degree. And the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degree. Now, this is the height of the cloud from the lake, right? So exactly at this height, um, no. Basically, there has to be three heights here. One has to be the, wait, this was the lake surface. Understood, Harsha? And then you will have a lake bottom. Fine. The basically the cloud is here. This is your cloud. So the cloud is actually at a distance of this, like this is the height of the observer 60 meter, and let's say this is h. So this complete 60 plus h is the height of the cloud from the lake surface. Understood? Now the image which will be
Yes.
formed here, so sorry, the image which will be formed here, it will also be at a distance of 60 plus h. Understood? In the
Yes, ma'am.
water. Yeah, so that's the catch here. So this is the height of the image, that is 60 plus h. Find the height of the cloud. So height of the cloud means from which height you will calculate it? Obviously from the lake surface. That means 60 plus h you have to find here. No. Mm,
Ma'am, we should find it from the observer's height, right?
the angle of elevation of the cloud is above the lake, and the angle of elevation from the height of the cloud. Yeah, because we will be measuring from, because the observer is at this height, so the observer will be measuring the height from here. So h we have to find, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because this is the level of sight of the observer. So from here, that is height will be measured. Yeah, and depression angle is also given, and the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud. So that means this one, right? This angle is also given. This is 60 degree. So that's the figure here. So see, you can see two angles, 30. That means this triangle you have to take. If I call it ABC.
Ma'am, ma'am, the depression angle would be like before the 60 meter, right? Like it will be under the 60 meter, right?
You are saying here?
Yes, ma'am,
No,
the
no, no.
angle of depression.
No. The angle of depression. See, this is the actually where will be the reflection formed? If this is the surface of the lake, right? And from the surface of the lake, just forget about the observer. Let's say this is the cloud. This is the, from the surface of the lake, this is the height, h plus 60, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
If we forget about the observer, but from the surface of the lake, the height of the cloud is h plus 60. So the image which will be formed, the reflection which will be formed, it will also have a height h plus 60, isn't it? But
Yes,
the observer is also like having some height. So the depression will be from the horizontal level of the observer. So the depression will be like this, 60 degree. And then you
Okay.
can use tan in both the triangles, and then you can find your height h. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Rest is all calculation. I think you will be able to find h somehow. Okay, one last question I want to share is this. This is also a good question. No, this you have done. Yeah, please do this one also. I mean, you can note it down, then you can do it later on. Take a picture and then you can solve it on your own. Okay, then I actually have another class, so both of you can leave now.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Yes, yes. Good evening, Imad. Can you hear me? Zainab, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. I'm starting. Yes, okay. Am I audible now, Imad? Zainab? Okay, first of
Yes,
all,
ma'am.
yeah, okay. So Imad, like you have to be regular in the class because you missed the previous class and we moved forward with the chapter.